I'm not sure if you could see this by the pouring of the rain everywhere. It's everywhere, bruh. And trust me, earlier before recording, there was so much rain coming through. Like a lot of rain. Oh god, it's getting worse. It's getting worse. Like I got like water all over me, on my shoulders. If I can focus on my shoulders. Oh my god. My camera's all wet. This is horrendous. I can barely see out there. Oh, I can't focus. There we go. Ooh. Oh my god. It's watering like crazy, man. Oh my god. I am kinda soaking wet. Hey mom, I already showered. This is just horrendous. Oh, oh my gosh. It's pouring down. It's doing it again. Over there, I heard thunder. Look at this. It's pouring hard. Look at that. That's all covered up. That's crazy. Alright, I think I'm gonna go back inside and see what the front of the house looks like. Whoa. Move out of the way, cat. Yeah, you hear no water. Oh, wow. Okay, not as bad as I was expecting from this. Oh my gosh. Excuse me, sorry. It's pouring out hard back there. Look at me, man. I'm all soaked up and wet. My camera, my phone. Look, you see that? Shut up. Look, you can barely see forever out there. Look at that. You can barely see. Oh, dang. I don't know why my phone can't have the automatic tune of this. Hold up. Hold up. What about that broken thing? Okay, nothing wrong with that, bro. It's just that there's a broken window. We have another broken window. Alright. My AirPods, they're not soaking wet, they're just, yeah, it smells disgusting. Man, it's raining. We didn't get this much rain. And, hello! Move! Just kidding. Sorry for yelling. But anyway, look at we're gonna get more rain. You heard that, right? Thunder. Anyway, I'm gonna end it. See you later. Bye.